Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use AI to rewrite press releases. So first of all, make sure that you have opened your browser and you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Over here, first we will create a press release. It can be related to anything. For example, I am write press release on football. Mention that CR7 has won the Euro 16 and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will be creating a press release. Here you can see it is creating. So once it is done, now in order to rewrite this, we can simply write the prompt. Please rewrite the above press release. You can also mention to include some specific words or events. Include that on the 89th minute, CR7 has scored a great volley. Hit enter. Here you can see that it has mentioned on the 89th minute to defeat France, Ronaldo had scored a great volley. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.